The town of Morcote, just over my shoulder, has been voted one of the most beautiful towns of Switzerland. It's a very famous summer tourist destination, but today we are going to show you the off-season Morcote with its beautiful quiet streets.
There's various ways to get to the top of Morcote, and we're just kind of meandering our way up through lots of medieval streets. These streets are very, very old. There's a famous cemetery at the top of the hill in Morcote that has lots of Gothic tombs, very creepy and almost Tim Burton-like in their style. There's also a famous villa called the Scherer Gardens. I might be pronouncing it wrong, it's a German name. It was gifted in the 60s to the town by a family who made some botanical gardens there, but it's closed until March, but it's a well-known tourist attraction that seems to be worth a visit.
That looks really old. It says something here, but underneath, Purgatory. If you come to Morcote in winter, you really have the whole place just to yourself. Stairs. Where are we going? We don't need stairs. Oh wait, yes we do. We need loads of stairs.
It's crazy that it's been really cold over the past few weeks, minus temperatures at night and only a few degrees during the day, and suddenly it's 16 degrees today, and we've seen a big butterfly, and there's lizards that are already out. It's the first day we've seen lizards or butterflies and insects. The birds are singing, so it's like spring has suddenly arrived.
As you can see with the palm trees, the aloe vera, the cypress trees, Morcote has its own microclimate.
So we're just on our way up to the church, one of the two main churches of Morcote. You have to go up a lot of steps to get there, so be prepared to wear good footwear if you're going to do that. Sometime in the 1860s, 7 houses in Morcote slid into the lake. The whole town is built quite steeply on the side of this hill, so it's no surprise that there was a landslide, which led to, I don't know if anybody was hurt or killed, but certainly led to a lot of houses being destroyed.
We are walking up the streets of Morcote trying to find the old cemetery that is a very famous one. It has very baroque and kind of Gothic architectural style and is really worth a visit.
We're just walking through the cemetery in Morcote. It's a very famous cemetery because of its Gothic and baroque style tombs, which are overlooking the lake, so it's certainly an epic view for a cemetery as far as cemeteries go. The cemetery is built on kind of terraces up the side of the hill, so you have to go up several levels of it to see the whole thing. Behind us is Brusino Arsizio, a town in Switzerland, and from that town you can hike to Porto Trezio in Italy across the Italian-Swiss border. It's in a video that we made, so you can check that out if you're interested. We were just noting how little snow is on the high mountains that are about 2,000 meters high off in the distance. There's almost nothing. It's the very beginning of February, and it's virtually like winter didn't happen. That's the kind of level of snow you'd have more so in April, May, even into June. It's crazy.
We hope you enjoyed this trip to Morcote. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to click the like button, comment and subscribe.